Hello and welcome to the short video on a Kupo 5/8 inch receiver with 1/4-20 male thread adapter. The adapter consists of a female baby or 5/8 inch receiver on the bottom and a 1/4-20 thread with a lock nut on top. It allows you to mount any device with a 1/4-20 female thread onto a baby 5/8 inch pin, such as this field recorder. Screw the 1/4-20 male thread into the 1/4-20 female thread in the back of the field recorder. Once the screw bottoms out in the recorder, just use the locking nut to secure it on the thread. Now mount the 5/8 inch receiver onto the baby pin and turn the set screw clockwise until secure. The adapter can be mounted horizontally as well for alternative mounting options. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.